Your toddler's first day at school is a big milestone. It's an exciting journey for both parents and children. But we understand it can also feel a little overwhelming. When you arrive at school, friendly teachers will be there to greet you and your child. It's normal if your little one feels a bit anxious or even sheds a tear. That's perfectly okay. Inside the classroom, your toddler will explore a world filled with colors, toys, and activities. Everything is designed to spark curiosity while making them feel safe and welcomed. Separation anxiety is natural for both toddlers and parents. Trust the teachers. Their experience in helping children adjust, offering comfort, and turning tears into smiles. Your child will start building important social skills like sharing, teamwork, and making friends. These little interactions lay the foundation for lifelong connections.
Snack time and nap time are parts of the daily routine, helping your child stay energized and refreshed. Packing a favorite snack from home can be comforting. At the end of the day, you'll be greeted by a happy, tired, and talkative little explorer, ready to share stories of their day's adventures. It's okay to feel a little emotional. This is a big step for both of you, but know that each day will bring growth, joy, and wonderful memories. At Satrop Schools, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's make this first day and every day after an adventure filled with learning and love.